Now that we have begun to create a stream of income, let's talk about savings. For every dollar you make, it is wise to save 25 cents of each dollar. This money should not be touched without giving yourself at least 24 hours to think about it. During this time, take time to shop around. You might find what you're looking at for a better price at a different location. Shop and compare. Take time to read reviews about the product that you're about to purchase. You're looking for the long-term quality and results of said item. Search the complaints. Look for defects. You don't want to pull your money out of savings just to buy a piece of junk. Also, within 24 hours, you can decide if this product is what you want or if it's a necessity. Will this purchase better your life in some shape, form, or fashion? Will this purchase aid you in your journey to wealth? Is it helpful to you? Most impulsive buys would not have been made if people would at least take 24 hours to shop around, check reviews, and consider if this purchase will be helpful to them in the long run. So remember to save at least 25 cents of each dollar that you make from your stream of income. Put this money in a place that you can't touch it for at least 24 hours. During the 24 hours, shop and compare, and take careful consideration. Will this purchase help you in the long term? Thank you. This is part 2. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell. See you soon.